you ever had that frustrating moment when your internet suddenly stops working right when you need it the most?
Maybe you're in an important meeting, watching a lesson, or trying to send something urgent, and everything just freezes. That situation can feel stressful, especially if you're not sure how to explain the problem in English.
But don't worry, today you'll practice a real, natural conversation that will help you stay calm, explain clearly, and handle this situation with confidence.
That's right. Internet problems happen to everyone, but explaining the issue clearly and understanding solutions in English can feel challenging if you're not used to it. Today we'll walk through this situation together so you feel more prepared in real life.
Hi everyone, my name is Anna.
And I'm Rio. We're really happy you're here practicing with us today. If you enjoy learning English through real conversations like this, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the English Talk channel.
All right, let's get started. Leo, are you still there?
Anna? I can hear you, but your voice is cutting out. It sounds really unstable.
Wait, give me a second. I think my internet just stopped working.
That's always frustrating. Were you doing something important?
Yeah, I was uploading a file for a client and it was almost finished. Now everything is frozen and I can't even refresh the page.
That's the worst timing. I've had that happen before, and it always feels stressful.
Exactly. And now I'm worried the file didn't send properly.
I see. Let's take it one step at a time so we don't miss anything. First, are you connected to your Wi-Fi?
Let me check. It shows I'm connected, but there's a message that says no internet.
All right, that gives us a clue. That usually means your device is connected to the router, but the router isn't connected to the internet service.
So my laptop is fine, right?
Right. Your laptop is most likely working normally. This sounds more like a network issue.
Network issue. Okay, I'm starting to understand that phrase better now.
Good. You'll hear it a lot in situations like this.
So what should I check next?
Take a look at your router. Are there any lights that look different than usual?
Let me go check. Okay, I see a red light and it's not steady. It's blinking slowly.
That's helpful information. A red or blinking light usually means the router isn't receiving a signal.
All right, that doesn't sound good.
It's not ideal, but it's also a very common issue. Let's try restarting it.
Okay, I'm unplugging it now. Should I wait a bit?
Yeah, wait about 10 seconds before plugging it back in. That helps reset the connection.
All right. 1, 2, 3. Okay, I'll give it a few more seconds just to be safe.
That's fine. No rush. It's better to do it properly.
Okay, plugging it back in now. The lights are coming back on.
Good. Now it needs a moment to reconnect.
This part always makes me nervous, like I'm just waiting and hoping it works.
I know what you mean. It feels like there's nothing you can do but wait.
Exactly, and I keep refreshing the page even though I know it won't help yet.
That's actually very relatable.
All right, let me try again. Still nothing.
Okay, so the restart didn't solve it. Let's think about the next step.
Do you think it could be something bigger?
It might be. There's a chance it's an outage in your area.
Right, an outage means the service is down, correct?
Exactly. It means the provider is having an issue, not just you.
True, that actually makes me feel a little better.
Yeah, because it means you didn't do anything wrong.
True. Should I call them now?
I would. It's the quickest way to confirm what's happening.
All right, I'll call them, but I always feel a bit nervous speaking on the phone in English.
That's understandable. Just keep it simple and polite. You already know the key phrases.
Okay, that helps. I'll try.
Thank you for calling customer support. My name is Daniel. How may I assist you today?
Hi, Daniel. Good morning. I hope you're doing well. I'm calling because my internet stopped working about 10 minutes ago. I already tried restarting my router, but it's still not working.
I'm sorry to hear that you're experiencing this issue. I'll do my best to help you resolve it as quickly as possible. May I have your full name, please?
Of course. My name is Anna Collins.
Thank you, Miss Collins. Could you also confirm your service address for security purposes?
Yes, it's 245 Maple Street.
Perfect. Thank you. And just to double check, are there any lights on your router that are red or blinking unusually?
Yes, there's a red light where it's usually green.
Understood. That information is very helpful. Please allow me a moment to run a diagnostic test on your connection.
Sure, no problem. Take your time.
Thank you very much for your patience, Miss Collins. I've checked your connection, and it appears that there is a temporary outage affecting your area.
I see. Thank you for checking that. Do you happen to know how long it might take to restore the service?
At the moment, the estimated time for resolution is approximately 1 to 2 hours. Our technical team is already working on it.
All right, I appreciate the update. Is there anything I can do on my end in the meantime?
At this time, there's no action required from your side. However, I recommend keeping your router powered on so it can reconnect automatically once the service is restored.
Understood. That's helpful to know.
Additionally, once the outage is resolved, if your connection does not return, please try restarting your router again.
Got it. I'll do that if needed.
Is there anything else I can assist you with today?
Actually, yes. Just one quick question. Will I receive any notification when the service is back?
That's a great question. In most cases, the connection will resume automatically, but you may also receive a notification via email or text message, depending on your account settings.
That makes sense. Thank you for explaining everything so clearly.
You're very welcome. We truly appreciate your patience and understanding.
Thanks again for your help. I hope you have a great day.
You too, Miss Collins. Thank you for contacting customer support.
Okay, I finished the call.
That was quick. What did they say?
They said there's a temporary outage in my area and it should be fixed in about 1 to 2 hours.
All right, that's not too bad. At least you have a clear answer now.
Yeah, I feel more relaxed knowing what's going on.
That's the benefit of calling. It removes the uncertainty.
Exactly, but I still need to send that file.
Do you have mobile data on your phone?
Yes, I do.
You can turn your phone into a hotspot and connect your laptop to it.
Sorry, can you say that one more time?
Sure. Turn on Hotspot on your phone. It shares your phone's internet with your laptop.
Ah, understood. That's a great idea.
It's very useful in situations like this.
Let me try it. Okay, I turned it on. Connecting now. All right, I'm connected.
Nice. Try opening a website first to confirm.
Good idea. Yes, it's loading now, just a bit slower.
That's normal with mobile data.
All right, I'll upload the file again. Okay, it's going, and done.
That's a relief.
Definitely. I was really worried for a moment.
You handled it well, though. You stayed calm and followed the steps.
Thanks. I think talking through it helped a lot.
That's the goal. When you can explain the situation, it becomes easier to solve.
I also feel more confident using phrases like no internet access or there's an outage.
Exactly. Those are very natural and useful expressions.
One thing I noticed is that I didn't need complicated vocabulary.
That's a great observation. Simple and clear English is usually the best approach.
I'll remember that. Sometimes I try to say too much.
A lot of learners do that, but clarity is more important than complexity.
That makes sense.
So what will you do now?
I'll keep using my hotspot for important things and wait for the internet to come back.
Sounds like a solid plan.
And next time this happens, I won't panic as much.
Exactly. You'll know what to do and what to say.
Thanks for helping me through this.
Anytime. That's what practice is for.
And that brings us to the end of today's conversation.
We hope this helped you feel more confident handling real-life situations like this.
Remember, you don't need perfect English, just clear communication.
If you found this helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the English Talk channel.
Thanks for practicing with us today.
Keep learning, keep speaking, and we'll see you in the next video.
Goodbye.
Take care.